What's up guys, my name is D and welcome to Film with D. I'm a cinematographer here to show you everything you need to know to get started in the filmmaking industry. Or to get you started with filmmaking, whichever one. But all I gotta say is, I'm gonna put y'all on game. Cause quite frankly, I was in school for digital cinematography. I still am. I had a job as a digital cinematographer at True Manufacturing, shot product videos, advertisement videos, all types of stuff for them. And I'm also a part of a family business where we do cinematography. Shot a couple music videos, product videos, videos about cars, all that jazz. To where I got a lot of knowledge that I have accumulated. And I'd rather share it with y'all so y'all don't have to make the same mistakes I made. And it'll make things a lot easier. So I'm just gonna help us both out by making this channel. And if you wanna follow along, please subscribe. And I'm telling you, you will enjoy filming with D. Because once again, guys, I'm putting y'all on game. Because quite frankly, whether you got a camera like this, Canon G7X, or a DSLR, or maybe even you're one of those people that just went all out and got a camera that's more expensive than your car, like the Sony FS5 Mark II here, I can still help you. I mean, we got gimbals, we got drones, we got all this jazz. I'm gonna pretty much cover everything from the fundamentals all the way up into advanced stuff like VFX and whatnot. But hey, if it's not interested to you, it is what it is. We still got entertaining videos. But with all that being said, I can't wait for y'all to start filming with D, because quite frankly, we're gonna have a heck of a lot of fun on this channel. So let's get started.